Hi everyone, this is Knockdown from Ars Dent Repair. Today we got this Jeep with dent on the fender. In order for us to work on this dent, we had to remove the flare so we can get behind this dent and work on it. So this is our dent that we're going to be working on. Close to the edge, we got nice buckle right here. That's something that we're going to have to work on. So as you guys can see, we have this nice wide opening right here. That makes this job just so much easier and we don't have to struggle with the access. I'm gonna place flat bar like this with the soft tip in the end and apply the pressure from the back side to the center of the dent and then tap down this crown and have that metal flow this way. Alright, so this is the setup that I have come up with, and this is light duty bar from dent dial. I have placed this bar like this in this position. This is 1-inch rubber ball. It's basically placed right behind this dent, and I use ratchet rope right here to hold this bar in its position. It's not gonna go anywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing knockdown work. I want to knock this down and create that metal flow. So this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, we created that nice metal flow now, and that dent, the dent right here, got even smaller. Now we can go ahead and do some pushings from the back side of this panel. Alright, and this is our final result. As you can see, we were able to remove the buckle here. It was right there, about 4 inches long, and the dent is out. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.